The used Tesla market in 2026 is presenting buyers with a genuinely interesting value decision. A 2022 Standard Range LFP Model 3 and a 2022 Long Range NMC Model 3 are both available right now at prices that make the chemistry question financially significant. The gap between them is real, the trade-offs are real, and which one represents better value depends entirely on how you actually use a car. Here is the complete breakdown. Start with the price gap, because this is where the value calculation begins. Used Standard Range LFP Model 3s are currently priced between $22,000 and $36,000 in the 2026 market, depending on model year and condition. Long Range NMC equivalents run $28,000 to $40,000 for comparable model years. The gap between a well-chosen LFP and a comparable NMC is roughly $6,000 to $10,000, depending on the specific cars being compared. That gap is the foundation of every other calculation in this video because it represents money you either keep in your pocket or spend in exchange for specific benefits that may or may not matter for your situation. The question is not which car is better in absolute terms. The question is whether the benefits of the NMC Long Range are worth $6,000 to $10,000 more to your specific ownership situation. And the honest answer is that for a meaningful percentage of buyers, the answer is no. The range reality check is where most used Tesla buyers make their most emotionally driven decision. The Standard Range LFP Model 3 delivers approximately 272 miles of EPA-rated range. The Long Range NMC delivers approximately 358 miles. That 86-mile difference looks significant on a spec sheet. In daily driving reality for most owners, it is largely invisible. U.S. Department of Transportation data consistently shows that 95% of American drivers travel fewer than 150 miles on any given day. A car with 272 miles of rated range covers that daily need with 122 miles to spare. Even after accounting for normal degradation, that reduces real-world range below the rated figure. The range gap becomes genuinely meaningful in two specific scenarios. Long-distance highway driving, where you are covering 250-plus miles between charging stops, and cold weather driving, where LFP's higher range loss in freezing temperatures reduces the effective daily range below what some commuters need. Outside those two scenarios, the 86-mile paper difference between LFP and NMC rarely shows up in the daily ownership experience in a way that justifies the price premium on its own. If you are mostly doing local miles and will charge nightly, an LFP Standard Range can be a rock-solid low-stress choice. The owners who genuinely need the Long Range NMC are those who regularly push the car's range limits. For everyone else, the range premium is largely emotional. The battery longevity math is where LFP's value proposition becomes most compelling, and it directly affects the resale calculation at the end of your ownership period. LFP can often deliver 3,000 to 5,000 full cycles versus roughly 1,500 to 2,500 for NMC before hitting 80% capacity. In practical mileage terms, on a Standard Range LFP pack, charging to 100% daily and delivering approximately 220 usable miles per cycle, 3,000 cycles projects to roughly 660,000 miles before hitting 80% capacity. An NMC long-range pack, charging to 80% daily and delivering approximately 240 usable miles per cycle at 1,500 cycles, projects to approximately 360,000 miles before hitting the same threshold. Those are theoretical projections rather than guaranteed outcomes. but they reflect real chemistry differences that show up in actual owner data. The community data this channel has collected across multiple videos shows LFP consistently holding above 93% state of health at 100,000 plus kilometers, regardless of climate or charging method. NMC results at equivalent mileage show significantly more variance, with the worst results at 76% and the best at 92%. That variance is the used buyer's risk on NMC, and it is part of why the price gap between LFP and NMC in the used market is not as wide as the new car price difference would suggest. LFP Standard Range 2020 vehicles are considered among the most battery-durable Model 3s ever made. That reputation is showing up in used market pricing as battery chemistry awareness among buyers increases through 2026. The total cost of ownership calculation adds the final layer to the value comparison, and it shifts the math further toward LFP for most owner types. Charging costs favor LFP in one specific way. Because Tesla recommends charging LEFP to 100% regularly, LFP owners get the full rated range on every charge, without any state of charge management overhead. NMC owners limiting daily charging to 80% are effectively paying for 358 miles of rated range, but accessing only 286 miles of it on most days. The practical daily range gap between LFP at 272 miles full charge and NMC at 286 miles limited charge is just 14 miles, a fraction of the 86-mile paper gap and a much harder number to justify a premium of around $6,000 to $10,000. Maintenance costs are broadly similar between the two chemistries on the same model. Both need the same tire rotations, brake fluid changes, and suspension inspections at equivalent mileage. The desiccant bag service applies to both. The 12-volt battery replacement timeline is identical. There is no meaningful maintenance cost difference between LFP and NMC on the Model 3 platform that shifts the total cost calculation significantly. Resale value is where the NMC faces its biggest long-term challenge. As battery chemistry awareness grows in the used market through 2026 and beyond, high-mileage LFP Teslas with documented strong state of health are commanding premiums over equivalent mileage NMC vehicles whose battery health is more variable and harder to predict without a professional diagnostic. A 2022 LFP Model 3 at 120,000 kilometers with 94% state of health is a more predictable resale asset than a 2022 NMC Long Range at the same mileage with an unknown previous charging history. The verdict by owner type makes the decision straightforward once you know which category you fall into. LFP Standard Range wins. Clearly for daily commuters driving under 150 miles per day who charge at home most of the time. The battery longevity advantage, lower purchase price, simpler charging management, and more predictable resale trajectory combine into a genuinely compelling ownership package that the NMC premium struggles to justify against. LFP Standard Range also wins for urban owners, rideshare drivers, and anyone who prioritizes long-term battery health over maximum range. LFP cells are typically 15% to 25% cheaper per kilowatt-hour than NMC at pack level, which means lower replacement cost risk if anything does go wrong at very high mileage. NMC Long Range wins clearly for owners who regularly drive 200-plus miles in a single day, who live in climates with sustained temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius, where LFP's cold weather range loss is a genuine daily inconvenience, and for anyone who specifically needs The faster 0 to 100 acceleration and higher peak power output of the Long Range AWD configuration. NMC Long Range also wins for owners who want maximum flexibility on road trips, where the additional range between supercharger stops reduces trip time meaningfully. On a 600-mile road trip, the difference between stopping every 200 miles on LFP and every 280 miles on NMC is one additional charging stop, which, over a long trip, adds 25 to 35 minutes of total journey time. The model year sweet spot for each chemistry in the 2026 used market comes down to two specific recommendations. For LFP, the strongest value is a 2022 or 2023 Standard Range Model 3. The 2022 Model 3 Standard Range LFP is currently priced between $24,000 and $38,000 in the used market. At the lower end of that range, with a verified battery health above 93%, you are getting one of the most durable battery chemistries available in any used electric vehicle, at a price that makes the ownership economics straightforward. For NMC, the strongest value is a 2023 Long Range All-Wheel Drive Model 3, where the Highland refresh improvements are present, and the battery has not yet accumulated enough mileage to show the variance that appears in older NMC packs. Verify battery health through a professional diagnostic before purchase, and confirm the chemistry is NMC rather than NCA before signing anything. If you are currently deciding between these two options, drop your daily mileage, climate, and budget in the comments. The more specific you are, the more useful the answer is for everyone in a similar situation. And if you want to keep getting honest, data-driven content like this, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next one.